Hello children, how are you? Today we will continue, which is chapter class 8 NCERT chapter 3 understanding quadrilaterals, and today we will do some more, we will learn about some more quadrilaterals, and for that I have taken 4 stripes which are of equal length, because the quadrilateral which we are going to learn today, in that quadrilateral all the 4 lengths are same. So I am placing one length like this, and they all are same, and I have taken same color also because they are same length. And if I place them like this, okay, and then like this, and I'm sure you are very much familiar of this quadrilateral in which all the 4 sides are equal, and this is a square. This is a square. Okay. Now I am taking one more quadrilateral. In that quadrilateral, again all the 4 sides are equal, and this time I am using another color, but they all are equal in length. So I have some 4 more stripes which are equal in length, and I am making another quadrilateral using this, and I am doing like this. I have placed a stripe here, okay, then another I am not placing at 90-degree angle. I have placed like this, and the third like this, but they all are equal in length, and the next 4th stripe like this. If I place them like this, here also all the 4 sides are equal, but this is not a square, and this is another quadrilateral which is rhombus. We will do properties of both the quadrilaterals side by side. This is square, this is rhombus. Here all the 4 sides are equal, here also all the 4 sides are equal. So the first property which we have learned here for the square, that all the 4 sides are equal. And in rhombus, the same property we have here also, all the 4 sides are equal. They are equal in length. Second property, here each angle is a right angle. Each angle is a right angle. So second property is each angle is right angle. That means 90-degree. That means angle, if I name it P, Q, R, S, then angle P, angle Q, angle R, angle S, each is 90-degree. And if I name this rhombus as A, B, C and D, here they are not right angles, but opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal means angle A and angle C, they are equal in measure. Angle B and angle D, they are equal in measure. Now we will talk about, but here no angle is 90-degree, here each angle is 90-degree. Now we talk about their diagonals. If I take this length as P and R, one diagonal, and cut this length, and another diagonal I am taking as S and Q, and cut it also the length which I have measured, you can see both the diagonals are equal in length, because in a square diagonals are equal in length, because square is a special rectangle. It is a parallelogram and it is a special rectangle, special type of a rectangle. Okay, so in a square diagonals are equal in length. Okay. And in place of that, if I see for the rhombus, I measure the length, this A and C, which is my one length, and another length if I take as B and D, which is my this length, you can see these both the lengths I have taken A, B and D, and this is my A and C length. You can see that from the length which I have taken, A and C, they are not equal, because in rhombus diagonals are not equal in length, while in a square diagonals are equal in length. So this is the difference. Second difference, earlier we have learned the first difference, that the angles are not 90 degree in rhombus. And this is another difference, diagonals are not equal. So the third property is diagonals are equal in length. That means PR is equal to SQ, and here diagonals are not equal in length. That means both the lengths are not same. If I mark the point where these diagonals are intersecting each other at O, and here the points intersecting each other at a point E, then you can learn here in a square diagonals bisect each other. Bisect each other means this diagonal PR is dividing this SQ in two parts, equal parts, which is OS and OQ. That means here OS and OQ are equal, and similarly this SQ is dividing PR in two equal parts, that is this OP and this OR. OP and OR also equal. While in rhombus, if we see the property of diagonals, here the diagonals are not equal in length, and suppose the diagonals are crossing each other at a point E, then one property is the diagonals bisect each other, and the second property is diagonals are perpendicular to each other. That means this diagonal is perpendicular to this diagonal, that means this angle is 90 degree, similarly this angle is 90 degree, similarly this one and this one. All these four angles which are formed by crossing these two diagonals, they all are 90 degree each. So we have property diagonals bisect each other, that is true as in square. Also diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Which means that angle, this is for fourth point I am writing, that angle AEB, and similarly all others are also 90 degree, and side AE equal to CE, and side BE equal to DE. So this is about square and rhombus. Many students I have observed, they have confusion in square and rhombus. Here all these four sides are equal. Here also all the four sides are equal. Here each angle is 90 degree. Here each angle is not 90 degree, but the opposite angles are equal. Here diagonals are equal in length. Here diagonals are not equal in length. Here in square diagonals bisect each other. In rhombus diagonals bisect each other and are also perpendicular to each other. Students, I hope you will like my video, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.